Dear Diary, I have amazing news. The day is March 25th, 1655, and I have just discovered a moon orbiting Saturn using the first telescope my brother and I have ever built. I think I shall call it Saturn's moon. I suppose when more moons of Saturn are discovered by Giovanni Cassini between 1673 and 1686, they will number them and then keep changing the numbers to confuse people. So eventually, John Herschel, probably in about 1847, will name this moon I have discovered today Titan, after Kronos' sisters and brothers, the Titans. Do not ask me how I know all this, but I do. Maybe it is luck, since I do attribute my discovery today partly to luck and partly to the quality of my telescope. You can quote me on that. Love, Cassini-Huygens.
Titan is tidally locked to Saturn, and its orbit is 15 days and 22 hours. Its mass is 1.35 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms. At a radius of 2,575 kilometers, it is roughly double the size of Earth's moon, and it is about 3 times as far from Saturn as our moon is from us. Titan's average surface temperature is negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Titan has an atmosphere composed of nitrogen with methane and ethane clouds. Titan's surface features include volcanoes, mountains, valleys, chasms, evidence of tectonic activity, and seas of liquid methane. Its surface is geologically young with few impact craters and a changing climate that mirrors our seasonal weather patterns like wind and rain. This climate also creates features like sand dunes and shorelines similar to those on Earth.
Good evening. This is Larry King from NASA News Center. On October 15, 1997, we launched the Cassini-Huygens space probe on a mission to record more information about Titan. We picked 2 of our most qualified astronauts to go on the mission. They were intellectually superior to their peers and displayed the necessary qualities of courage and good looks. Cher and Inspector Gadget. They arrived in Saturn's orbit on July 1, 2004. We received the following video diary from them.
Go-Go Gadget machine to unroll posters I bought from the probe Pioneer 11, the first images ever of Titan in 1979. Even though they are low quality, it was Pioneer 11 that determined Titan was too cold to support life.
Now we're strong enough to take better images and data, way better than Voyager 1 did in 1980. It couldn't penetrate the thick clouded atmosphere.
Go-Go Gadget arm that puts up posters from Hubble's 1994 images of Titan, which suggest large, bright and dark regions on its surface, which could be liquid seas, even though these images are not solid proof.
I don't believe in posters on walls. I really don't think I said that was okay. I hope that won't be a problem for you.
Go-Go Gadget poster retracting arm. Go-Go Gadget charming smile.
This is the song for the lonely. And I'm so glad I'm not because, babe, I got you, babe.
Go-Go Gadget hand-holding arm.
Look out the window at a spacecraft. A piece fell off. How can the ship go on?
Go-Go Gadget panic mode. What do we do?
Do you believe in surviving on Titan? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think we're strong enough, no. But what are we supposed to do? Sit around and wait for NASA? Well, we can't do that. No, wait, don't open that door.
Go-Go Gadget Titan Survival Kit.
That was the last transmission we received before losing contact with Cher and Inspector Gadget. Unfortunately, despite their intelligence and good looks, they did not realize that the piece that fell off the ship was actually the probe Huygens, departing for its data-collecting landing on the surface of Titan, as scheduled, on January 14, 2005.
Despite losing contact with Cher and Inspector Gadget, the Cassini-Huygens spacecraft continues to orbit Titan, collecting atmospheric data with cloud-penetrating radar. Titan was originally of interest to us because it is the only moon in the solar system known to have clouds and a mysterious, thick, planet-like atmosphere. The Cassini-Huygens spacecraft, pictured here, has taken paths between 800 to 1,200 miles above Titan. Our first close flyby captured this image. We now know that this giant moon has lakes and riverbeds and that it also possesses fog at its south pole. In this image, we see the sun glinting off a lake on Titan's northern hemisphere. This image was taken in July of 2009, and just like the similar features on Earth, all of those features are tightly related. Evaporated liquids create clouds that are carried around Titan by winds, and these probably cause precipitation.
This has never been seen on any other extraterrestrial body, and this is what makes the mission so thrilling.
The spacecraft's probe, Huygens, landed on the moon's surface on January 14th of 2005. As seen here, the Huygens probe photographed a plain covered in small rocks and pebbles. Other images and data from the Huygens space probe have allowed us to discover that many of Titan's surface features have been formed by flowing liquids sometime in the past. The Huygens probe landed and photographed pale hills with dark rivers running down to a dark plain. We currently understand that these hills are composed mainly of water ice. In addition, dark organic compounds may rain from Titan's atmosphere and are simply washed down the hills with the methane rain, and they are deposited on the plains.
Titan is the most distant body from Earth that a space probe has landed on. Titan's thick atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, which makes it similar to our Earth, but Titan's atmosphere may also contain much higher percentages of smog-like chemicals such as methane and ethane.
The smog may be so thick that it actually rains liquids similar to gasoline.
We have recently changed the name of the mission from Cassini-Huygens to Cassini-Equinox mission. As of last week, on March 11th, we were able to obtain gravity data which allowed us to better understand how the material in Titan is distributed. It turns out that Titan's interior contains ice and rock mixed to various extents beneath its surface.
Our results are still insufficient to make any claims with any amount of certainty about whether Titan has a subsurface ocean, but we intend to keep investigating. As this image shows, this moon is more Earth-like than we ever imagined, and it has supplied us with a wealth of knowledge in regards to our own planet. Titan provides us with an Earth-like, yet alternative atmospheric circulation system to study and learn from. Of course, as Cher conveyed, the question on everyone's minds is there life on Titan? Could this distant moon support a form of life?
Our response is that Titan's cold temperatures mean a slow occurrence of chemical reactions. Therefore, the chances of life there are very slim. However, beneath the surface of this moon, down in the interior, there might be a chance of some life. Some heat could very well still be preserved inside Titan, and our observations provide clues for a potential ocean of hydrocarbons beneath the surface. Therefore, we are already thinking about the next mission to explore Titan. Go.
It has an atmosphere composed of nitrogen with methane and ethane clouds. Titan's surface features volcanoes, mountains, valleys, chasms, evidence of
In this image, we see the sun glinting off a lake on Titan's northern hemisphere. This image was taken in July of 2009, and just like the similar features on Earth, all of those features are tightly related. Evaporated liquids create clouds that are carried around Titan by winds, and these probably cause precipitation. This has never been seen on any other extraterrestrial body. Damn it.